Hello everyone, I'm O.P.E.N, and today I'll be presenting on personas. This is the topic of my report for the course, User Experience Research and Practice. Personas are tools that help us understand and represent the needs of target users, allowing us to design products that better meet their needs. And I have summarized 4 key frameworks from this article, and today I will introduce them through theoretical perspectives and application process. First, we need to understand what a persona is, where it can be applied, and how to use it. To explore these questions, let's look at this Apple iPad 2 commercial, which showcases how Apple targets new audiences in its marketing strategy.
This is what we believe. Technology alone is not enough. Faster, thinner, lighter, those are all good things. But when technology gets out of the way, everything becomes more delightful, even magical. That's when you leap forward. That's when you end up with something like this.
In the video, we can see users checking stock options, investment portfolios, and even drawing. These features help users understand how the Apple products fit into their lives. So, how can we, like Apple, accurately identify the target audience for products and uncover the real needs of users? We can online target users using 4 perspectives corresponding to different product stages. First, determine the current product. First, to choose the appropriate persona perspective. In the early stages, fictional characters help sketch out target users during the mid to late stages. Data-driven personas are used to explore user needs. In the final phase, personas guide product interactions. And by following the 10-step process, you can complete the persona development. So, next, I will introduce these 4 perspectives in detail. First, the core of goal-directed design is to create concrete persona prototypes. Initially, multiple personas are developed through ethnographic research, which is then distilled into final personas targeting different user types. The advantage of this method lies in providing clear design direction and an effective communication tool. And the role-based perspective is similar to the goal-directed perspective, with persona being largely data-driven and integrating information from both qualitative and quantitative sources. Typically, dozens of personas are shared across different projects. This method should be used in conjunction with other methods to enhance engagement in the design process and improve understanding of reality. The engaging perspective is the ability of designers to generate involvement and insight through user stories, which requires a broad understanding of users. Designers use their own experience to understand users and predict their behaviors. And based on the fictional perspective, personas are used to explore design and generate discussions, including ad hoc personas, extreme personas, and hypothesis personas. These personas help organizations evaluate products and formulate design hypotheses, making them applicable in the early stages of product design. Okay, after understanding the different perspectives of personas, we can categorize these four perspectives as built based on data and built based on the designer assumptions. Next, I will continue to introduce the steps for creating personas. The persona development process includes 10 steps. First, gather user data and form initial hypotheses. Then, validate this hypothesis with the project team and finalize the number of personas. Next, create detailed persona descriptions and design scenarios that depict specific use situations. Ensure all team members are engaged and accept these scenarios. Share persona information with all relevant parties and create usage story scenarios. Finally, persona descriptions should be regularly updated to keep them relevant, ensuring the team fully understands user and improves design accuracy. However, these 10 steps cover the entire process from preliminary data collection to active use to continued development of personas. This is an ideal process, but sometimes it is not possible to include all the steps in the project, so you can be adjusted according to the needs of the project. Okay, that's my introduction today, covering the four perspectives of personas and the steps for constructing them. Thank you. This user experience research and practice course has been very rewarding. It combines core UX concepts with tools like interdisciplinary knowledge and AI. Weekly group discussions help us share ideas, make discussions, and improve our thinking skills. Through hands-on work and real cases, I learned practical UX skills and how to design user-centered solutions. The teacher's feedback on our discussion add depth and help me view design problems from different angles.